Alright guys, got a 2021 Honda CB300 RA. It's my first motorcycle. See that badge right there? Alright. Look up here at the dash. Alright, so we've got 1,385 miles on it. It is the ABS model. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of hard to see the lighting in this. Come back here. So we get in the back seat. That, it comes up. Sorry about that. Owner's manual. And it's supposed to go in here under these, but they're kind of a pain to get. Let me see if I can get that really quick. Yeah, probably not one-handed. So I'll do that another time. For now, just kind of stuffed in there. Got a little bit of room here. I'll just keep my gloves there. And the D-ring. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Had a slight issue, so we left off on the D-ring holder right here. Hold the helmet in place. Just lift this up. Sorry guys, working one-handed here is a little bit tricky. Alright. Put my helmet up here for a second. Don't really recommend this because chance it could fall off of there, which is why you put it on the D-ring holder. Alright. Put that seat back in. Have it latch. Key back in. We'll hear how it sounds in a second. Alright, I'm back again guys. Just put my gloves and helmet on just so I can show you this. So, actually before we get there, I'll show you this. It's got a handlebar lock, so if I put it on the kickstand, turn it all the way over, and turn my key right here, and take it out. I'm pulling on that. I can't move the handlebar. Just a small anti-theft precaution. Put it in, turn it to off, and I can move my handlebars again. Alright, so let's hear how it sounds. Turn it on, turn the switch on, let it do its thing. Alright, it's running. See right here, side stand, it indicates that it's still down or in neutral. Nice to have. You don't have to guess. Get closer to this exhaust so you can hear it a little better. Feel it coming out. Single cylinder. Move that thing. Couple of revs for you. Alright, so this is my 2021 Honda CB300R. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.